students, so our next topic is about longitudes. Okay, so our next topic is longitudes. We discussed about latitudes that they run from east to west, and longitudes they are drawn between the poles. It means between the north pole and the south pole. These all are the longitudes. Okay, and then these all are called longitude. So there is a line with 0 degree. There is a line with 0 degree longitude. Okay, this is 0 degree longitude. When we discussed in latitude, there was 0 degree equator, which was the largest latitude, and this is 0 degree longitude, which is called prime meridian, Okay, so we can say that these all other are the meridians of these all, except these all are the meridians of longitude. Okay, the particular line from where we can start counting our time. Okay, that is called prime meridian. Okay, our distance is measured in degrees here. Okay, so this is 0 degree. So next line will be 1 degree, next 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree. Like this, we go, this is east and this is west. Okay, so we can say that distance between these two meridians, distance between them decreases until it becomes at the 0 degree. This is the distance. Okay, so this is decreasing. It is also here and here. What is the distance between them? That is 0. There is no distance between them. They are intersecting at the point. So we can say that latitudes were parallel, but these are not parallel. They are intersecting at the poles. Okay, so the distance between latitudes was equal. Okay, so 1 degree is equal to 111 kilometer. Okay, longitudes. Clear? And here the distance between these two, जो maximum distance है at the center, there will be maximum distance between the meridians, and it will get decreased when until we go at the poles. Okay, when we move or when we reach the poles, it will become 0. There will be no different distance between them at all. Clear? So there was difference in latitudes 111 kilometers, and the distance between them, the maximum distance, that will be 101 and 3 kilometers. We discussed that there are 181 latitudes, 90 in the north, 90 in the south, and 1 is equator. But there are 180 this side and 180 this side. Now, we will not say कि this is prime meridian. Okay, yes, this is prime meridian. But there are not 180. There is 90. Okay, this is prime meridian. There is 90, 90, 90 and 90. Okay, here 90, then here also 90, then the backside part 90 and 90. How many total longitudes are there? There are 360, and the difference or the distance between them is 1 degree. Okay, so how many degrees? Circle is of how many degrees? That will be of 360 degree. Okay, now we know that our earth rotates, it completes its one rotation in 24 hours. Clear? So we can say that 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. On globe, 1 degree will be equal to 4 minutes. Clear? So this is 1 degree, and then minutes. Now 360 degree. 4 multiply 360. 14 and 40. These are minutes. Okay. Now 24 hours. 24 hours. इसे भी मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट कीजिए. How many minutes? How many minutes? 1440 minutes. They both are equal. By this, we can know, we are known about this, that the Earth completes 4 minutes distance within 1 degree when it rotates on its axis. Okay, so 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Okay, or we can say that 15 degree is equal to 60 minutes, यानी कि 1 hour. ठीक है. So our Earth rotates in 1 hour. How much degrees? 15 degrees. If our Earth is rotating on 15 degree, if it has completed its rotation at an angle of 15 degree, it means that it is 1 hour completed. Okay. Then obviously 360 are there. Obviously we are doing 360, or 360 by 15. That is 24 hours. It means the day our Earth is completing one revolution in 24 hours and completing 360. Mean if the Earth is rotating fully on its axis, one round complete करे, it means वो कितने डिग्री का होगा? That will be 360 degree. Clear? And the Earth will complete its one rotation in 24 hours. So this was it. Now they are of equal length. The length of the latitudes was not equal, but their length is equal. Each and every longitude is starting from here and ending it here. Okay, so their length will remain same. Okay, then obviously you will be there will be a question arising in your mind that why do we consider it as a mean timeline कि जहाँ से हमने we started measuring our time. Okay, so earlier time or before many years, so there were all the countries, and these all countries decided that the count should begin from the meridian that passed through Greenwich. Okay, where the British Royal Observatory is located. So it is crossing. This is Greenwich. Okay, this is Greenwich, from where it is passing. Okay, and there the Royal Observatory is located. Clear? Then obviously I told you that 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. अब ये है, this is 1 degree distance. Okay, so it will be 4 minutes. Then here also it is 1 degree, then it will be also 4 minutes. Then how can we measure our time? The main thing, that is, if we are moving eastwards, 4 minutes will be added in the time with 1 degree, and if we are moving westwards, 4 minutes will be decreased between the time. Okay, decrease between the time. Now 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. If we are moving eastwards, 4 time will be added. If we are moving westwards, 4 minutes will be subtracted. Okay, now suppose this is our Earth. Okay, this part is facing by the sun here. Clear? This part is facing sun by the sun here. Suppose this part is facing. Which part is facing? There will be day. Yes, and which part is not facing the sun? Obviously that part will be experiencing night. Okay, so यहाँ पे day है, but next day यहाँ पे कब start होगा? If our Earth will rotate like this, then obviously Earth will also take time to rotate the Earth. Yes, this is east and this is west, so it will go like this. Clear? It will go like this. So the time in the westwards and the time in the east, that will be the time in the east will be more than the west side. Okay, that's why I told you, if we are moving this side, It means if we are moving this side or which is towards the sun. यहाँ से अगर जा रहे हैं obviously time will be added, but which time is not experiencing the sunlight or experiencing the less heat or the which is not experiencing the day, obviously that will be the previous day. Okay, so suppose the mean time that we started from 180 degree international date line. Okay, this is prime meridian. I am writing here prime meridian. But इसी के पीछे this line, this is called international date line, which is 180 degree. Clear? So prime meridian and international date line, they both together divides the earth into two parts. Okay, they both divide the earth into two parts. Clear? So first will be eastern hemisphere and next will be western hemisphere. This is the time जहां से हमने स्टार्ट किया कि हम टाइम को डिवाइड करना, हम टाइम को मेजर करना शुरू करते हैं. बट द एक्चुअल लाइन from where we started measuring our time, that is international date line. Okay, but all the continents are located here. That's why obviously we are coming here, the time will be added. Suppose here 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m, here 5, here 6, here 7, here 8. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then obviously अब देखिए what was the logic behind telling that we can start our time measuring we can start measuring our time from this line. Obviously if we are moving this side there will be 5 p.m. If we are moving this side यहाँ देखते हैं then it was 4. तो जितना पीछे जा रहे हो obviously time is getting decreased. Yes, time is getting decreased. But if we are moving eastwards 5 6 7 8 then the time is getting increased. Yes, so पीछे वाले की बजाय then we decided, all the country decided that we should start count our time, or we should start measuring our time from the prime meridian which passed at Greenwich, where the Royal Observatory is located. Okay, so there are 180 degree lines this side and 180 degree lines this side. Okay, so 180 lines this side and 180 lines this side. Every meridian is at a distance of 1 degree. Okay, so it will be 180 degree and 180 degree. So how many total lines are there? 180 degree and 180 degree. There will be 360 lines are there. Now there is prime meridian and there are 179. I told you 180 now. So this is 1. Okay, and the next is international date line. Okay, this is the main, we can say कि prime meridian, इसे हमने ले लिया अलग से. And the next, which is, or this will be 180 degree east and west as well. Okay, so this was the line prime meridian. हम यहाँ से गए 179 was till here. हम यहाँ से यहाँ आए 179 was till here. So only one line was there between them, that was international date line, and that is known as 180 degree. That is known as 180 degree east and 180 degree west. 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. Okay, and which is known as the international date line. Which is known as the international date line. So this is 1. And this is 1. So 179 and 1, 180. 179 and 1, 180. So there are how many lines? Obviously there are 360 lines. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to you all. And we know that prime meridian, this prime meridian and the international date line that divides the earth into two parts, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, so longitude of a place, they are mentioned with degree east, which are in the east direction, and they are measured or they are indicated with the degree west because they are in west direction. Okay, so I told you that 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line, which is known as 180 degree international date line. Okay, so if you know latitudes and longitudes of a place, you can locate any place on the globe. How? I'm going to tell you here. Suppose locate a place. So first of all, what are the required things for locating time or for locating a place? Okay, so these are latitudes and longitudes. If we are aware of these both things, only then we can locate our place, or then only then we can tell the time of a place. Okay, suppose, and what is grid? Suppose these are longitudes, these are latitudes, and this is called एक web जो एक grid बन जाता है. So this is called a grid. Okay, where latitudes and longitudes they intersect each other. That is called grid. Okay, these are latitudes and these are longitudes. So we are giving them the names. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Okay, and this is, suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you want to locate a place, so first of all, if you want to locate a place, you should be aware about the latitudinal situation and the longitudinal situation or the location of a place. Okay, if you are aware, only then you can locate a place. So students, this is our grid. This is our grid. Okay, so we are talking about latitudes and longitudes. How do they help us to locate any place? Okay, so I have pointed here that these are latitudes and these are longitudes. So I have given them names. Okay, if you want to locate a place which is at x degree latitude and 3 degree longitude. Okay, so what will we do? How can we locate that? So this is x line and there is 3 degree. Okay, clear? So there is 3 degree. So this is x and this is 3. They are intersecting on this point. Okay, so it means we are discussing about that point. Is it located at this place? Okay, now suppose we are talking about a degree, 4th degree, 8 degree latitudinal location and 4 degree latitudinal. So a and this is 4 and 8. They are intersecting here. It means we are talking about this place. Z degree 1. So Z or 1. It means we are talking about this. If we are talking about Y or 2, it means we are talking about this. Okay, so this is the way how can we locate a place. Okay, now there is another example, or we can take. So there is another example like Dhubri in Assam. I told you about it. Yes, I think I told you about it. That is located in 26 degree north and suppose here 26 degree north, and which is at how many degree? That is 90 degree east. Suppose this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree east line. So we can it is intersecting here. Okay, it means we are talking about this place. Clear? This is the way to locate a place on a globe. Okay, and I told you that how the earth rotates 160 degree in about 24 hours. Yes, I told you that our earth in 1 degree it rotates, it covers the distance of 4 minutes. Okay, so 4 minutes. When it rotates and completes its angle of 15 degree, it means it rotates 1 hour. Clear? I told you that it rotates 360 degree. 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. 360 degree is equal to 360 by 15, that is 20 hours. So obviously the earth takes 24 hours to complete its one rotation, which is of 360 degree. Okay, and on our globe 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Clear? Now suppose this is our prime meridian. There is 12 noon. It means 12 p.m. or 12 noon we can say. Okay, 12 noon. So a place which is located at 15 degree east and which is located at 15 degree west. So 15 degree, I told you 15 degree is equal to 1 hour, and here also 1 hour, here also 1 hour. So क्या हम दोनों साइड इंक्रीज करेंगे टाइम को? नो, इफ वी आर मूविंग eastwards we will be increasing the time, and if we are talking about the westwards we will decrease the time. Okay, so we will increase here plus here and minus here, so 12 plus 1 hour, that will be 1 p.m. noon ke 1 p.m. and then 11 a.m. 12 noon, so 1 hour pehle it will be 11 a.m. Okay, so next in the standard meridian. What is standard meridian? Suppose in our country, there is our country, here is our country, India. Clear? From here, from Madhya Pradesh, ठीक है, there is a line, there is a standard meridian, there is a meridian that passes through our country, and that is called standard meridian. This is standard meridian. Clear? So it is situated, it is located at 82 degree and 30 degree east. Okay, 82 degree and 30, or we can say कि 82 and half degree of east. ठीक है? Our India, where is India? In east part, it is here. Okay, this is north, this is west, this is south. It is 82 degree east, east के part में. Clear? So we decided that we can decide a particular time according to which we can start counting our time, like prime meridian. In India also there is a time, there is a meridian from which we started calculating time. Okay, and that is standard meridian. The time we started counting here, that is called standard time. Okay, and what is the standard time? And the line which is prime meridian and the line which is going in India, that is on, so this is at 82 and half degree east. Clear? 82 and half degree east. Clear? So obviously we are going this side, east side, obviously time will be increasing, time will be increasing, or time will be increased. Clear? So what is the 82? First of all, 82 degree, 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes, so 82 degree multiply 4, 4 to the 8, 32. So half, and so half plus half plus half, half was there na, so it will be 1 and 1, 2 plus 2, it is 330 minutes. It is 330 minutes. It means 5 hours and 30 minutes. Clear? It will be 5 hours and 30 minutes. 300 minutes is equal to 5 hours and 30 minutes will be left. So our country, जितना भी यहाँ पर time है, our country is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead than this time. Okay, suppose the time is 7 p.m. evening ke 7 p.m. So what will be the time on that Greenwich? We will subtract it 5 hours and 30 minutes, so it will be 1:30. So it will be there 1:30, and the time in our country, the standard time which we are following, that is 5 hours and 30 minutes more than the prime meridian, and this is called standard time. Clear? This is called standard time. So we know that there are so many places or the countries which have so many different zones. Our earth has only 24 different zones. different time zones. Okay, and in our country there is one zone because there जो भी इसकी लोकेशन है, साइज है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ओनली वन लैटिट्यूड पासिस थ्रू इट. दैट्स व्हाई there is only one standard time or there is one time zone, but there are so many countries like Russia. There are 12 time zones जहाँ पे 12 meridians also passes through Russia. Okay, so there are 12 time zones, and totally in our Earth there are 24 time zones, and each zone has each zone covers 24 zones. Each zones cover 15 degree. Okay, each zone cover 15 degree of longitude, and that will be 360 degree. तो हो गया ना one rotation complete. So this was it. I hope this is clear to you all. This was our chapter. If you have listened to listened to me, and if you have watched this video carefully, obviously the chapter, the topic will be clear to you all, as we have discussed it in our previous classes as well. I hope no doubt will be there. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the classwork group, and I will give you to do some questions there only. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.